What's up, YouTube? We are the Bill Paying Hobbyists. December 2021, I made Ellie and I rings. It's been over a year and I wanted to polish them up. You're supposed to have your jewelry cleaned, right? Ready? Give it a... Let's get to it. All right, so now we're gonna get these polished up, and we're doing it at the lathe with my ring mandrel. And they come with, they come with 3 different size bushings for these. We got large, medium, and small. And I'm gonna use the large for my ring and the small for Ellie's ring. And before I polish them up, I'm actually gonna add some more UV resin to this just to smooth it out and fill in any gaps that might have happened or anything like that I might have missed the first time we turned it. So, very simple. And if you buy one of these, make sure you buy the right one for the spindle on your headstock, because they are threaded different and they are different sizes. So that just slides on here, and then my ring, and the other bushing, and the nut, and that's it. It's on there. All right, I'm gonna apply this like I do my CA glue when I'm doing pens. But I'm gonna do it very carefully, trying to keep it from getting on the bushings. I can always clean the bushings off. All right, so we got that one done. Now it's time to do Ellie's ring. It's still a little bit tacky. The UV light flashlights, they're only like 7 watts, so they don't provide a lot of UV projection, I guess you could call it. So it's still a little tacky. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these sit outside in the sun and let it cure better. All right, so I let these sit out in the sun for about 3 hours, and they got nice and hard, and they're nice and ready to sand up and polish now. So this time I'm gonna use the medium bushings for my ring, the large one. They just nice and snug on there, and it gets me above my bushings, so I won't be sanding on my bushings or anything like that. And in case you're wondering what those marks were, I was using that with the light so that I know when I do a quarter turn. So take care of that. And I'm gonna sand with a 600 grit and a 2000 grit foam pad, and then I'm gonna wet sand. So we're gonna turn this up to about 1200. Shiny, shiny. It was pitted, it had pits in it just from wear and tear, it just happens. Those are all gone now, nice and smooth. I'm actually kind of jealous. I think her shines better than mine. Nice and shined up, ready for another 2 years of use. Now our rings are polished up for another couple years. If you have a ring similar to ours, just remember that harsh chemicals will affect the shine and wear on your ring. Thank you so much for taking a little time out of your day and spending it with us. Hopefully this video will help you with caring for your ring. If so, please head down to the subscribe button and give it a radiant glow with a click. A thumbs up would be great. Sharing with family and friends would be amazing. Need something special that makes a statement? Leave us a comment and we can work out those details. Please do something nice for a veteran today. See you next week. We love you. Sharing with family and friends. I had it. I was almost done.